Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well. As you all know my YouTube channel, this creation which you all embrace, and you all are here to see my wonderful creation. If not, subscribe my channel. Do it as it is free of cost to not miss my amazing creations and amazing videos. So let's go. So first of all, congratulations to we all. We are the family, and we have made it the 61 subscribers. So please share, subscribe my channel, and we'll see today the an amazing, interesting topic. Let's go. So today we are going to see the biosafety. What is biosafety, and what are the measures? What are the issues which are occurring in the biotechnology field? So first of all, if we see the biosafety, so biosafety is a strategic and integrated approach to analyze and manage relevant risks to humans and other living forms. So basically, it is the application of safety precautions that reduce the laboratorians risk of exposure to a potentially infectious material, and it also limit the contamination of the work environment and ultimately the safety of community it provides. What is our so this is the topic which is biosafety issues in biotechnology. So it involves the concerns related to the safe handling and contaminated and ethical use of biological organisms which we use to do our experiments, and materials which we use like conical flask and all that in research purpose and industrial applications. So what are the issues which are related to the biosafety in the biotechnology processes? This we will see. Now we will see the first key considerations. So first is the pathogenic agents. So handling GMOs or working with potentially pathogenic organisms raises the concerns about the accidental release and the potential impact. As we know that handling the GMOs is tricky because we don't know which gene will you know which make the feedback and all that, and working with the potential pathogenic organisms which can affect us and can cause diseases. It also raises the concern about the health issues, health impacts on human beings and surroundings. Now the other is the environmental impact. So the release of the genetically modified organisms into the environment may have the unintended ecological consequences. Unintended means it is not intended to harm the environment, the ecology, but it can harm if it is not carefully used, and the consequences of this, the environment get polluted and contaminated, and this can affect the non-target species and ecosystem of which we are not in we are not intent to harm them, but unfortunately they get harmed by this not taking the safety measures. Now, the third point is human health risk. So it is obviously that if the biosafety is not taken, then it will risk the human health. The person who is doing that experiment or the persons who are surrounding near the experiment which is done. So the potentially for the genetically modified foods or products to have adverse effect on human health. So they have the potentials. Genetically modified foods have the potentials because they have the transgenic gene, which we don't know that it can have the adverse effects is also. So this include the allergic reactions to new proteins introduced in the food. We don't know that our body can show the allergic responses against the protein which are encoded in the transgenic crops. Unintended changes in the nutritional content, so it can also cause extra nutritional effects. If the nutrients are loaded in more than sufficient concentration, then it can harm the human health, or the possibility of introducing the harmful substances into the food chain. So, if we see the transgenic crops, it can also be a poisonous in some way or the other. Now, the fourth point is the ethical and the social implications of GM crops. So, what if I say that what is the simple meaning of ethics? So, ethics refer to the well founded standards of right and wrong that prescribe what human ought to do, usually in the terms of right, obligations, benefits to society, fairness, or specific virtues. Upholding ethics ensures the fair treatment, prevents discrimination, and promotes a society where everyone is valued and respected. So, human values and ethics play a pivotal role in fostering social harmony and cooperation, which is though also important in the biotechnology field in stating the biosafety issues. Biosafety issues also encompasses ethical and the social consideration such as the equitable distribution of benefits and risk associated with the biotechnology and the rights of farmers and consumers to choose whether to use or consume GMOs. Like all consumers are not friendly with the GMOs. Some don't have trust in them, so they are free to use the normal organisms, normal foods other than the GMOs, and the potential for the biotechnology to overcome existing social inequalities. So, here I conclude my video. Please consider subscribing my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you. So, thank you to hear me till the end. So, please hit the like button, check out my YouTube channel, and please also consider subscribing me, share to the more and more peoples, and thank you.